welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to put a video in slow mode. This is it's an easy process to do. The first step is go to TikTok, and after that you need to go to the option of your profile, and here you need to go to the button of create here, and after that you need to put the option of the video here. You can slide this for the left, and you can put 50 seconds, 60 seconds, and 3 minutes. So for example here, if you want to change the speed of a video, you need to pick here in the second option where set speed, and the only thing you need to do is pick in speed, and after that you need to pick in 0.5 or 0.3. And if you recording a video, you can see that movement in slow mo. So if I pick and now I pick here, you can see that movement in a slow mo. For example, here is a slow mode option. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.